Hello everyone, welcome to Spoken Kannada Part 1 or Matadva Kannada Part 1 course lecture 10 Preposition sounds in Kannada. So many times we use some sounds like ge, annu, inda, alli, a, u in Kannada language at the end of noun or pronoun to give proper meaning to sentence. So like we have in English from, to, etc. So we have these sounds in Kannada to give a proper meaning to a sentence. For example, avana means his, avana. Here we use a to give a proper meaning to the sentence. For example, avana hesaru. We don't say avanu hesaru, but we say avana hesaru, his name. So he means avanu. Like that, avala, avala, her. Here, a sound we used at the end of avalu. Avalu, she, avala, her. Like that, avanu, he, avana, his. So, manege. Manege means to home. Here ge we used. Mane, home. Manege to home. Maneyalli, maneyalli, in home. Here we used alli. Mane means home. Maneyalli, in home. Here we don't say manealli. We say maneyalli. Additional ya letter is added here. So some cases we see like these kind of words. Don't get confused. Start using those words and pronouncing those words. Then you will come to understand how to pronounce these words. Okay? It's all about practice and how many times you use these words. Next, mane inda. Mane inda. From home. Here inda, mane means home. Mane inda, from home. Office ninda. Office ninda, from office. Here inda we used. If you want to know the Kannada word for office, it is kacheri. Kacheri means office. You can use office ninda or hotel ninda, mane inda, market ninda, like that. From home, from office, from market, like that. Be little creative while forming a sentences. Okay, like we used here. Avanige. Avanige, to him. Here we used ge. Avanu means he. Avanige. Avalige. Avalige, to her. To her. Avalu means she. Avanannu. Avanannu means him. Annu we used at the end of the word avanu. Avanu means he. Office nalli. Office nalli, in office. Here alli we used. Kacheri means office. So if you see these words, what we have to take out from this lecture is, we have a sounds like ge, annu, inda, alli, a, u. We use these sounds at the end of the words like avanu, mane, noun or pronoun to give a proper meaning to a sentence. So let's see some of the words here. Bunny. Bunny means come. Yelli. Yelli means where. Hogu. Hogu, go. Helu. Helu, tell. Estu. Estu means how much. Dura. ದೂರ, far or away or long. Let's try to create some very simple words here using these words itself. Here, if you see, take this mane and manege. You can use office, office-ge, hotel, hotel-ge, kitchen-ge. So, manege banni, office-ge banni. Come to home, come to office, to office, office-ge, to home, manege. Banni means come. So here, elli, where? Office elli, where is office? Mane elli, where is mane? Where is home? So like that, manege hogu, manege hogu. Go to home, office ge hogu. Go to office. Here, ಹೇಳು, tell him. Okay, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು, tell him. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು, tell her. ಸೊ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ? ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ? So how far office is? So let's see the very simple sentence again. So manege banni, manege banni. Come to home, office ge banni, office ge banni. Come to office. Market ge hogu, market ge hogu. Go to market. ಜಾನ್ ಡೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? ಜಾನ್ ಡೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಾನ್ ಡೋ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್, ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ he is present, where he is present. So iddane means where he is right now, it says. Okay, don't get confused, we will see this kind of words later lecture. Try to pronounce these words. Iddane, elli iddane. John Doe maneyalli iddane. John Doe maneyalli iddane. John Doe is in home. In home is maneyalli. Iddane means is present. We used to use this word iddane, iddare or iddale. If it is iddale means we are referring to a female. Iddare means group of people. So avanu elli iddane. Avanu elli iddane. Where is he? We can say avalu elli iddale. Avalu and iddale. It's very important. Le. Okay, so where is she? It will become ಅವನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is in home. ಜಾನ್ ಡೋ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಜಾನ್ ಡೋ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಜಾನ್ ಡೋ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಅವನು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is in office. ಅವನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is in market. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಅವಳು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, with respect I am referring Amelia. Okay, here iddale, as I told you in the previous lectures, iddale, if that person, that woman is younger to me and she is friend to me, then I can use this word iddale. But if that person is elder and I have to give respect, then we have to use iddare, irrespective of gender. Iddare we can use it for both gender. Iddale is for feminine, iddane is for masculine gender. ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗು, go to office. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು, go to home. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾಗೆ ಹೇಳು. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾಗೆ ಹೇಳು. ಟೆಲ್ ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾ. We have to be very cautious here. La. It is la. ಹೇಳು. Okay. ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾಗೆ ಹೇಳು. ಟೆಲ್ ಅಮಿಲಿಯಾ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು. ಟೆಲ್ ಹರ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು. ಟೆಲ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬಾ. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬಾ. ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ಗೋ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಆಫೀಸ್ನಿಂದ ಬಾ. ಆಫೀಸ್ನಿಂದ ಬಾ. ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಿಂದ ಬಾ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಿಂದ ಬಾ. ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗು. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗು. ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಆಫೀಸ್ನಿಂದ ಹೋಗು. ಆಫೀಸ್ನಿಂದ ಹೋಗು. ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. So we have gone through lot of sentence and words. Try to repeat these sentences and words. So don't try to remember any of these words and sentences. We will use these sentences and words along with the others in the multiple lectures. Okay. So with this, I am going to end this lecture and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.